What is good, everyone? Today is February 2nd, 2026. We are going to be going over today's price action and how I took a break even trade on the day. Let's get into it. All right. So, coming into the day here, I'm on the 15-minute. Just going to make things a little bit easier here. We had these previous week lows here. We were trending down, opened up. NWOG got filled here, came down, took out previous week lows. From here, low key, I'm bearish for the week just because this is a high time frame draw. We really don't have to keep going lower. Obviously, you can see we had crazy reaction off that. And then we were coming into market open about here. We had all these buy side targets on both pairs that I was looking to see get hit. Okay, bang bang, and then opened up. Immediately ripped up, took out a draw or two, and I was like, okay, gonna be looking for some type of retracement, continuation, 5-minute, whatever. Hold on a minute. See you. All right. Anyway, looking for a 5-minute continuation at this point. Okay, got it. And a lot of people took this trade today, and it did play out right here. See this little pullback here? We had a little bit of a pullback here. I think there's like a freaking, I don't even know what time frame inversion this setup was. Maybe a 2-minute. I think it was a 2-minute. Yeah, there was a 2-minute play here. It would have looked something like this. We had a data high we took. I really, really did not like this trade. And I will tell you why. First of all, when we got the setup, we took data highs. I mean, we had these internal highs, which was good, a good break-even point. But we took data highs before we even got to inverse, which is like, bruh, what the hell? And to make things worse, first of all, we left these internal lows right here, didn't take them out on either pairs, and 15-minute gap that we opened up, we left, didn't take it out. Again, on both pairs, we had a 15-minute here. What I wanted to see happen was us come down into this 5-minute here. The reasoning behind that is, if you hop on the 1-minute time frame, we had this LRL resting below, and the 5-minute right under it. I wanted to see us run this out, and then get a rejection from there. It's also a premium long. So, realistically, if I'm taking this trade, I'm not, especially if I'm going into drawdown, I'm like, bro, I'm not liking this trade. This is stupid. I have LRL below me. I have a unfilled 15-minute below me. We still have internal lows below me. We have all this stuff that we could still take out before going higher. So, realistically, it was not a sustainable trade to take. 5 out of 10 times, this is playing out. This is not a profitable trade. All right. And then from there, I give that a B setup, honestly. It really wasn't even that good. And then from there, we kept ripping up. We did end up SMTing at this final draw I had above here with ES, but I was like, all right, end of the session. This is our daily objective for the AM session. We're going to take this shit out sooner or later. I mean, we could have got a deeper retracement, but the reason why I took this was because we ripped up pretty hard, and then we pulled back. Honestly, it's a good trade, but I feel like I probably shouldn't have taken it just because I saw us hit this 5-minute gap. We had 2 5-minute gaps. This is technically more discounted, but it's also not in discount. This is the discounted 5-minute, and then you can see from there we ripped up and took out the draw. But overall, I'd probably give this an A- setup. We opened up the 15-minute. It's kind of hard to see here. We opened up the 15-minute at 10:30, came down, took it out. I think I either entered on 1 or 2-minute. I think it's 2-minute. Came down, hit this 15-minute. Jeez. I'm gonna get to it. So we came down, took that 15-minute out. Okay. We had an internal SMT there at that point. We also had this nice LRL above us, nice internal structure for us to, take out, and then we had that draw above us. So I was like, okay, we do have an SMT there, but higher time frame, we're bullish. We're trending up. We had a nice 15-minute pullback. Hit a discounted 5-minute. Wasn't fully in discount, but it was a discounted 5-minute. We hit that, and then I believe I took a 2-minute inversion on this one. Yes, sir. Took a 2-minute inversion here. Entry was right here. Obviously, I entered as it kind of pulled back. It's delayed because I chart on NQ, but I enter on MNQ, so I do get delayed entries. But that's where I entered. Stop at the lows. Should be a protected low if this is gonna hold and we're gonna run there. So stop was there. Break even was at these internal highs right here. I'll mark this out. But so this was my break even. But key point for you new guys, if any of you are watching, ES took out this internal high that I wanted to go break even on NQ, okay? Whenever this happens where the different pair takes an internal high, I automatically go break even. Perfect example right here. ES took the internal high, making internal SMT, and we rejected from there. So I went break even there, and then got stop break even, which sucks. And then you can see here, when I marked out that 5-minute gap, you can't see it because I'm on a 2-minute, but we ended up hitting that discounted 5-minute right here I marked out. And then from there, we ended up delivering. Even if I took this trade, I probably would have break even. And not to mention, I'm off the charts by like, I got off the charts as soon as I was done taking this trade at 10:40. Plus I'm trading in school, so I had lunch, whatnot. So I was off the charts at that point. I usually don't take trades after 10:45-ish, 11 o'clock, so I was off the charts. But overall, I'd probably give it like a A-, B+ setup, just because it wasn't a discounted in that trading range. But yeah, I mean, not a bad way to start off the week, break even. I'm definitely happy I didn't take this because this is just like freaking fadeaway 3-pointer deep in someone's face right here. It played out. Obviously, we were super bullish, but like I said, 5 out of 10 times it's playing out. So I'm not really too worried about it. But overall, can't complain, guys. I'll show you the little P&L. This is my total P&L. Not looking good. Trade win percentage, not looking good. We had a rough month in January, but starting the month down $3.96. That's just because commissions and whatnot. I can show you guys actually. P&L $1.50. Commission fees $5. So, this is a break-even trade. My eyes, yeah, it's red. Who cares? Break-even trade. But yeah, guys, that is the trade recap for February 2nd. I'll be posting trade recaps anytime I take a trade and going over all of it. If anyone's following along, great. If not, for myself, I want to hold myself accountable and post everything and document everything. So, also, my boy Wyatt just secured a payout today, so congratulations to him. That is great. I will be following in his footsteps very, very soon. This is going to be a big year for us. I'm very excited. But, yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys supporting. If you're watching this, awesome, great. I'll catch y'all. Peace out.